Welcome to Nubeleaf Whole Food Powders, where flavor meets nutrition. Our organic single-ingredient powders are the secret to adding wholesome goodness to your holiday recipes, baked goods, soups, and smoothies. Let's start with a holiday favorite, Nubeleaf's Organic Blueberry Powder. Bursting with antioxidants, this powder is a game-changer in your kitchen. Elevate your holiday baking by adding a spoonful of muffin or pancake batter for a burst of natural sweetness and a vibrant purple hue. Embrace the season of festivities with the goodness of blueberries effortlessly incorporated into your favorite recipes. As we transition to fall, let us introduce another star of our collection, Nubeleaf's Sweet Potato Powder. Our sweet potato powder is the perfect ingredient to enhance the flavors of your favorite soups. Whisk in a spoonful to add richness and depth, creating a comforting bowl that captures the essence of autumn. It's a versatile addition to any soup recipe, whether crafting a classic sweet potato soup or experimenting with unique flavor combinations. Let your soups tell a story of warmth and wholesome goodness this fall. When you check out at nubeleaf.com, use code SOUPS to enjoy a delightful 10% off your purchase. It's our way of spreading extra warmth and cheer during the holiday season. So, whether baking up a storm, simmering a soul-soothing soup, or blending a nutrient-packed smoothie, Nubeleaf Whole Food Powders are here to elevate your culinary creations. Embrace the goodness of organic, single-ingredient powders that bring nature's best to your table. Visit nubeleaf.com today and unlock the secret to nutritious, flavorful dishes. Happy cooking and savoring the season with Nubeleaf.